Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to clean Chrysler 300 engine, updated. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical issues. Work in a shaded area with the engine cool. Spray degreaser on greasy areas and let it dwell for a few minutes. Agitate with soft brushes around pulleys and valve covers. Rinse gently with low-pressure water and dry with towels or compressed air to prevent corrosion. Start cleaning by targeting the oiliest zones like the valve cover and lower engine areas with degreaser. Work methodically and avoid soaking electrical connectors or the air intake. Use brushes to loosen baked-on oil while protecting delicate sensors and wiring. Rinse carefully with low-pressure water to wash away loosened grime without forcing moisture into tight spots. Finish by drying visible wet areas and inspect seals and hoses for damage or leaks. After cleaning, allow the engine bay to dry completely before reconnecting the battery and starting the engine. Check for any loose connectors or damp spots around sensors and harnesses. Verify belts and hoses are properly seated and free from residual cleaner that could cause slippage. Perform a quick start and listen for unusual sounds, then recheck for leaks. A final wipe down of visible surfaces leaves your Chrysler 300 engine looking refreshed and maintained.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.